Don't hurt the feelings of other people. Hi everyone, my name is Jad and welcome to another Jad Khouri Art episode. If you are interested in putting your feelings in your artworks, then you should value the feelings of others. And this is where you trigger an auto-valuation of your own feelings and you start seeing them clearly. It's all about knowledge. Remember, meeting inspiration demands awareness, and you should always know who you are. Take care.